Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai Sonata and you need to remove or replace the climate control switches. Okay, controls. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get, guys, at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. For any of you that need to buy any replacement parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can save quite a bit of money. So let's start on it now. So what we need to do first, these side panels will need to come out. So with the panel removal tool, okay, you just pry them to the outside. Okay, then they come kind of like towards the back of the vehicle. Okay, you will see. Okay, perfect. You can see first they come to the outside, the clips. That's the clip that you need to slide towards the back. If those metal clips come out, you need to remove them and install them back on the panel. The same thing on this side. Let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, this one is quite stuck by no, it comes out this way. Don't pull like that. It needs to come towards me. Okay. And now, okay, first it comes up. So, okay, now, okay, this one needs to come up first. Okay, let's check it out now. You grab it with your fingers, you need to lift it up on this side to be accurate. Then comes to the side, okay, some, and then comes to the back. Okay, so first up, a little bit to the side, then to the back. Now, right here, if you look, guys, we need to remove these two screws, 8mm socket or Phillips screwdriver. 8mm probably will be better because it will be pretty tight. And we need to get those out of the way. Perfect. Now we need to get a panel removal tool and we need to start prying here, guys. Okay, the radio assembly, you can come on the side too. Okay, we can come like right here too, somewhere, just to kind of like start it, to get our hands on things. Let's see if, okay, I don't think this one will be in the way. Okay, now let me put this one here. 1 second. Okay, came loose on this side. Careful not to mess up your air vent. Now we need to come more, pull. Okay, let me come on this side now here. Okay, on this side, a little bit more. Okay, perfect. Now some on the top. Okay, I'll come right here. A few clips came loose there. One on top there, I think we have. Careful with the air vent there. Okay, it looks like right here it's still holding in the corner. No, okay, still holding there. Okay. Most of it should be loose, guys. Okay. So now gently, we pull things out. We need to disconnect the wiring harness as well. We have that for the emergency flashers. So, okay, let me look at this one now. Okay, those we need to press in on the inside and disconnect it, but somebody spilled so much coffee, I'm not kidding, guys, that it's stuck. Okay, so I'm going to get a small screwdriver and press on it. Okay, big ones on the bottom we're disconnecting here. That's for the climate controls. Now this one, I will need to get the screwdriver here and one person will pull. So what we'll do, I'll just press on the clip. Okay, now let's pull it out. On top we have the watch here that we need to disconnect. That's for the info screen. Okay, I don't see exactly where it is. It's hard for me to see. Let me hold that thing, the plastic. Okay, and let's do it that way. So see if we can do it with 2 hands. Nope. Super short wires, guys. I'm trying to fit the camera. Okay. Okay, perfect. I saw it now. Let's see. Okay. It came loose. Hopefully you were able to see. And that panel came out of here just like that. Now the climate control, guys. Okay, all we have to do now, remove 4 fuel head screws. And we have a few clips that you need to pry in order to remove it. So let's go ahead, do that now. Alright, we have one more here and one more on this side. Perfect. Now, right here, guys, we have a few clips that we need to pry open with a small Phillips screwdriver. Okay, one right here. Okay, yep, this one. Now we have a few more right here. Okay, it came out, and all of them came out, guys. That's it. That's your climate control. That's how you guys remove it, replace it if you need to do that. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that, and see you guys next time.